Today, Alaska is facing the unprecedented task of tackling the effects of climate change far ahead of the rest of the world. While many other regions are facing issues arising from climate change, few are on the scale that everyday Alaskans are facing today. Rising temperatures are wreaking havoc on the state and costing Alaskans millions of dollars in addition to the changes to their everyday way of life. The average temperature in Alaska is rising twice as fast as the rest of the United States. One of the biggest threats today is that of the thawing of permafrost. As the frozen soil melts away, it's causing structural damage to infrastructure, homes, and sensitive ecosystems throughout the state. This is especially critical to many parts of the state that rely on the infrastructure to receive goods in the winter months. As ice roads melt earlier and faster, it's increasingly difficult to transport important supplies to remote areas of the state. Temperatures in Alaska are expected to increase an additional 2 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit by the middle of the century, amplifying the already existing threat to the state's infrastructure. The effects of climate change are not just taking a toll on infrastructure, but communities as well. The community of Newtok has already been forced to relocate due to subsidence caused by melting permafrost. This particular threat is already taking a toll on other Alaskan communities, and many more are preparing to relocate. While many scientists debate on how to slow global warming, there are two scientists in Russia who are proactively studying the slowing of permafrost melt. Scientists Sergei and Nikita Zimov believe they have found a way to slow the thawing of permafrost by introducing grazing species to essentially trample the snow and compact it into a dense layer that allows much deeper freezing into the winter. While scientists believe there may be counterproductive effects to the study, early results show that the ground is indeed cooler. While solutions like this are outside conventional thinking, its basic idea is proven to be successful. I believe it's going to take creativity such as the Zimovs to ultimately counter the effects of climate change on a global scale. Only time will tell.